Hi friends, in the earlier video I had already spoken about intermittent fasting. What is intermittent fasting and how you should do it if you are a beginner. Now I'm going to list down top 5 mistakes a person makes when on an intermittent fasting plan. First, eating processed junk food in the non-fasting period. Eating foods like pizzas, burgers, carbonated beverages, fruit juices. Such foods are made out of refined flour. Now we all know that these foods raise blood sugar levels, causing insulin spike, making our body insulin resistant. These foods are responsible for increasing our belly fat. So it's no use of having such kinds of food when you're doing intermittent fasting. In fact, focus on nutrient-rich balanced food which contain good quality proteins, complex carbohydrates, good quality fats and a lot of vegetables. Second point, hydration. We need to hydrate ourselves when we are on intermittent fasting plan. The need for electrolytes increases whenever we are fasting. So apart from having regular water, have electrolyte infused water, lemon water, coconut water and herbal teas. Make sure you're well hydrated. Third point, B complex vitamins. The need for B complex vitamins increases whenever we are fasting. So make sure that you're having balanced rich foods containing B complex vitamins and please do take supplements every day. Fourth point, stuffing yourself. Now if you're following the 8-hour eating window, ideally you should have 2 meals in a day. One around 11-12 o'clock and the other around 6:37. Avoid frequent snacking in between. That defeats the purpose of intermittent fasting. Well, you can have beverages in between, one fruit or maybe some handful of nuts. But please avoid big snacks in between. And the last point is stopping intermittent fasting when reaching a plateau. So whenever we start with intermittent fasting, we lose weight initially very fast, around half kg to 1 kg over. And then we see over a period of time, the weight loss slows down and it reaches a plateau. Well, this is a very common thing. Initially, we are losing water weight. Hence, the weight loss becomes faster. But over a period of time, when our body is on a starvation mode, it feeds off the fat in our body. This is where it's getting energy from. So you will see that over a period of time, you will start losing fat. Your clothes will start to become looser. So that's a very good sign. You just need to be patient. How you can speed up the process of intermittent fasting? Increasing the hours of fasting, reducing the amount of carbohydrates in a meal, exercising, reducing your stress level, increasing your sleeping pattern. This will help you to avoid the mistakes. This is Meenka Vision signing. Thank you.